Well, guys, I now set up the drone. So I will have to find, of course, some special spot to start it. But I'm gonna think about it now, and I'm gonna look around. But I want to show you first. This is the spot. I have plenty of space to actually fly the drone from here up to there. But maybe you can hear. There is a slight wind. I was about to say window, but no. A slight wind, but it's not that big. So the drone can fly, folks, like up to this DJI Mini 4K drone. This is not paid advertising. I'm just a fan of this brand, and I like my drone. It was offered to me, like kind of. I asked Grok in the Twitter platform, like in the AI platform. So I asked for advice for a beginner. What would be the best drone for up to 500 euro? So he suggested this one, Flymark combo with 3 batteries and so on. So I love my drone. It's just amazing butterfly, or just amazing. I call it the bee, you know. Now this is the protector of the gimbal, you know, in this one. I have him put the battery and put it on the sunshine a little bit because it's around 2-3 degrees Celsius. It's a bit cold. My hands are. May the guy rest in peace here. One elderly people passed away, or I fell down. I couldn't understand. It's not written exactly what happened, but he died here like 10 or 15 years ago or something. May he rest in peace. Anyway, the spot is just amazing, folks. From where I came here, and there is next adventure for this summer. I'm gonna climb this thing also, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the Nevyastata trail. And you can check over there other parts. This is incredible. Let me check. Let me show you this cozy actually. There is a napkin there. Please excuse me on this. Some bad tourists leave their garbage behind, which is not good, and I don't like it at all. But you can see, you know, over there, these are the Orpheus rock formations nearby Ezerovo neighborhood, and lovely. And also here we will see soon with the drone what's gonna be the rocks around, you know, and the view in the horizon. It's gonna be absolutely outstanding flight for me, and I'm gonna need my phone from now on to make the session, and I'll be back with you guys soon.